Hello, this is our last video together, and last time, if you remember, we had a look at how to produce your song in a more sonic sense, but today what we're going to do is actually having a look at the production of visuals for your music. In technical terms, how to create visual assets. So what do we mean by visual assets? Does it need to be a music video? It could be, but it could also be a cover art, it could be a photograph, it could be a drawing, it could be an animation, anything you'd like. We're also going to have a look into the world of collaborations, which I think are really important, especially if you don't feel like visuals are really your thing. I imagine most of you are at school in this moment, which is a really exciting environment in terms of meeting up with people that have different skill sets and that can help you with that. So I hope you're really going to exploit this opportunity to bond with different people that love visuals and love your music, and get them on board with this project. I created a mood board for you, a really simple one. In case you don't know what a mood board is a document that gathers important information and references. I use mood boards quite a lot when I work with other creatives in order to guide them through the process and get them involved into my vision, get them to understand what I want to do with my visuals. And your mood board could literally be made out of any sort of source you would like. So it could be pictures, it could be texts, it could be music. It needs to be exciting and you need to really get the brains of this creative on board with you. So have fun. And this is one of the most exciting things to do. It doesn't need to be organized. It just needs to be a splash of ideas. There are some very useful questions that you can ask yourself in the process of creating your mood board. And now we're going to take as an example the music video that we've created for Redcoat. The first question I asked myself was definitely, do I see myself in the music video? And the answer was yes, I do see myself in the music video and I do see myself as the storyteller of this song. The second question I asked myself was, what are the first images that I actually see when I listen to the song? And I couldn't help but referencing the analysis that we've done in the first video. So I definitely saw some vegetation, that it was something in between the south of Italy and Congo, some dry vegetation, some yellow, some oranges. I also saw myself at the center of the picture as some sort of hypnotic character. And last question I asked myself, which I think is the most important, what is the message that I'm trying to convey with the song? What I wanted to do with this song was actually to talk about my time and the wealthy society I was raised in, a society that was built on a history of violence and exploitation and this overall sense of lack of clarity that I had in me. Although there is a positive conclusion in the song and some words of encouragement, the song goes, a missing piece from the puzzle doesn't kill the work, which means for me that you shouldn't stop researching your history. Actually, even though you don't understand everything, the more you research your history, the more you have a chance to be part of the best future that you imagine for yourself. Now that you have your mood board, it's time to actually collaborating with people. Have a look around, just have a think about people that might be into visuals. I can't stress this enough. Collaborations are really important if you don't feel as confident with your ability to deliver those visual assets. And you can achieve results that are going beyond your imagination, so give it a try. Hopefully you find the right people. It could be friends, it could be family, it could be people you don't know. Just reach out to people and see what they can offer. I ended up working with actually my family, my sister, and a few friends on the music video, and it was a really fun experience because I feel like these people were personally invested in my project, so it was great. I would say, regardless of whom is working with you, you should always keep a few things in mind. Really important to be flexible when you work on your visuals with a team. Really important to actually being able to listen to your team, and extremely important, be well organized. So this was it. This is the end of our journey, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to see your creation out there in the world, and hope you're going to have fun producing your music and producing your visual and working with other people. Hopefully you're going to get a chance to actually check the Future Sound Digital series if you haven't written a song yet, which is linked below. And I hope to see you soon.